you love. You don't take care about to them. But with you have how to say that this simple life, you can take care for everyone else. You can if you want to teach them, you can. But if you are maybe you have how to say that master degree like that, you need to take I master degree. If you don't pay us, I don't want to teach them because how to say that I'm so difficult to get the master degree. Maybe you have something like that to take. Maybe you have a big chance to get. Maybe this is the people who don't have money to pay it. Yeah, and this is the people who have money to pay it. Maybe you can choose this one, and you don't take care of this one. That's it.
Thank you very much.
All right, very awesome. All right, thank you for explanation, Mr. Jenny Wariski. Your explanation very incredible in this earth. You know that you are very like people down to earth, very down to earth people, right? You know that. I mean, the down to earth like very simple people. That's why I love that kind. All right. So, anyone to share something about the success? You know.
Maybe I.
All right. Very